So I'm really happy that I came here in the early morning. It opens at 8 o'clock, and if you come here by this time, you have the whole complex for yourself. Good morning. I'm here at the Sanam Chai MRT station, arguably the most beautiful MRT station in Bangkok, and today we are going to Wat Pho. Wat Pho is the temple of the Reclining Buddha, and I've been there a few days ago because Mirella's family was visiting, and it was so busy that I wanted to see if I can do it easier. So I'm coming now back in the early morning, and it opens at 8 o'clock. Using my credit card to get out of here. So when you get out, you take exit number 1, which is the exit of the Museum de Siam. From the Museum de Siam, you can walk towards Wat Pho and the Grand Palace, and this is actually a very nice walk. The MRT is only 600 meters from the palace. One of the advantages of coming in the morning is that it's not that hot yet, of course, but also there will probably be less people. And the reason why I wanted to come back is because we were here in the weekend and it was absolutely packed. We were standing in a long line. So I will show you a bit of the footage that I made there. And I thought I have to come back here because this is such an amazing place and I really wanted to share it, but I want to show it good. So that's why I'm here now at 8 o'clock in the morning. So this is the side entrance. And the tickets are 200 baht. สวัสดีครับหนึ่งนะครับโอเคขอบคุณมากครับ Well, this is very different from a few days ago. I'm in the back of the temple now, so the main entrance is actually near the Grand Palace and the river. And I'm happy I came back and be here without the crowds. So this temple complex is a lot more than just the Reclining Buddha. There are many of these chedis here. There are 4 big chedis and 91 small chedis, and they've been placed here throughout the years. And they all have a specific meaning. So Wat Pho is one of the oldest temples in Bangkok, and the original city that was created by King Thaksin was in Thonburi, which was across the river, and then already this was a temple complex, and it's actually the most important temple complex in Thailand. You see all these statues here. This is the same as in Wat Arun and in the Grand Palace. These were used as ballast by Chinese ships that came to Siam. You can see the Chinese style. And some of them are actually European, so I'm gonna go and show them a bit later. The total size of this complex is 80,000 square meters. And the main attraction is the Reclining Buddha. And let's go to see the Reclining Buddha now. So this is the main temple where you can find the Reclining Buddha. What they did now is you have a bag where you can put your shoes in, because you are not allowed to wear your shoes in the temple. So let's take off my zapatos. So let's go in. So I'm really happy that I came here in the early morning. It opens at 8 o'clock, and as you can see, you have the temple for yourself. A great view of the Reclining Buddha. So you have different stages from where you can see the Buddha. So this Buddha is 46 meters long and 15 meters high. And most people only focus on the Buddha, but don't forget the murals on the side. They are absolutely stunning. So the feet alone already are 3 meters high and 4.5 meters wide. So here you have a row of 108 bronze bowls, and what you can do is you can buy a bucket with coins, which is 20 baht, and this is basically a donation for the temple. See, there's a school having an excursion here as well. So let's explore a bit more of the temple complex. So these are the 3 most important jetties in the complex here. And this jetty is to honor and remember King Rama I, the founder of the Chakri dynasty. This is for King Rama II. And everywhere in the complex you have explanations. So then here you have the Chedi, which is a monument to commemorate King Rama III. And here you have the biggest one for King Rama IV. Around the complex you have a lot of Buddha statues. They brought 1,200 statues from all over Thailand. The Wat Pho Complex was also the first public university in Thailand, and here there is a museum where they show the origins of the massage therapy. So the Wat Pho Traditional Medical and Massage School. Sawadee krap. So well over 200,000 people got their degrees from Wat Pho, and a lot of the really good massage therapists in the world, they come here and go to school. So there is actually a class that you can follow here as well. There's another part behind here, but anyway, it's just an amazing complex to just walk around. So here I found the statue of a European. This could be a Gaul or maybe a Viking. Interesting. From here you have a good overview of the size of the temple building where the Reclining Buddha is inside. And actually the whole complex is impressive. When you visit Bangkok, you definitely have to come and visit Wat Pho and the Reclining Buddha. Don't come here in the weekend and don't come here in the middle of the day. It's hot, there are too many people. Just try and come here in the morning, like what I did now. Go at 8 o'clock. You can go with the MRT to Sanam Chai. From there it's about a 400 meters walk. It's easy. The entrance fee is 200 baht now. I remember it used to be 50 baht when we came here 13 years ago, but everything changed. Anyway, if you enjoyed this update regarding Wat Pho, and if you're interested in anything more about Bangkok, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Drop me a line and see you guys in my next video.